Hi fellow crafters, this is such an exciting week in the Stampin' Up world. On the 2nd of May, the new annual catalog is launched, and alongside of this new catalog, 5 new in-colors are revealed. In today's video, I'm going to introduce these 5 new in-colors and show you a fun project idea that can easily be multiplied. I can't wait to get going. If this is the first time you're visiting my YouTube channel, hi, I'm Terri from nutsaboutstamping.com. I love sharing project ideas and techniques for rubber stamping, paper crafting, and scrapbooking with you each week. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you'll be the first to be notified when my next video goes live. Speaking of videos, be sure to watch all the way through my video for my bonus tips and design ideas. And if you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator yet, I would love for you to choose me. I'll link to my online stores in the description box under this video. Now, introducing the 5 new in-colors. Are you ready? Here they are, the 2023-2025 in-colors. We have Pebbled Path, Boho Blue, Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, and Moody Mauve. I think these are fabulous new in-colors. Which one is your fave? Or maybe you have more than one fave. So I'm going to give you a little tip. Whenever Stampin' Up comes out with new in-colors, here's what I do. I buy an entire pack of the assorted 12 by 12 cardstock. Now the reason that I do this, I'm going to make sure you can see all the colors, is because I also do memory pages, but that's not really the reason why I buy the 12 by 12 assorted pack. For one thing, I like to start off with an assortment of the colors so I know which ones really resonate with me and which ones, maybe not so much. And then if I find myself using one of the colors over and over again, then I go and buy the 8.5 by 11 cardstock of that particular single color. I also like the fact that you can use these, you can trim these 12 by 12 sheets down to create card bases or create strips to use on your cards, or as I've already said, you can use a whole sheet for memory pages or scrapbook pages. It's kind of like a color sampler that goes a long way. I did this last year for the first time with the other in-colors that came out, and I still have sheets left. So rather than spend a lot of money buying individual 8.5 by 11 packs, I buy this and it goes a long way. Now let me show you another product that's come out using these in-colors. It's the In-Color Designer Series Paper 6 by 6 pack. Now I don't have the whole pack in front of me, but here's what the patterns look like. And you get several sheets in a pack, and I find that one of these packs lasts me the whole annual catalog year. So that's also a great investment to pick up the, again, assorted pack of the In-Color Designer Series paper to use again on card fronts or as strips. And I'm going to show you a special project today using my favorite color of these new in-colors. Now here is my card base. Yep, it's a little bit different size than what you normally see me create. This is a gift tag size or a little note card. It is 6 inches by 3 inches, scored at the 3-inch line, and then you have this little gift card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Boho Blue, which is my favorite new in-color. I'm sure that there'll be others that will grow on me, but as soon as I saw this one, I thought, nope, I have to have it right away. So I have used a strip or a piece of the Designer Series paper, and I'm going to attach it to my gift tag as a layer. like so. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I have a scrap piece of basic white, and I've got one of the layering circle framelits, and then I have a scrap piece of the Boho Blue, and I have one of the scallop framelits from the layering circles dies. Just a heads up, these dies are retiring when the 2022-23 catalog ends on the 1st of May. So you only have a couple of days to pick up the layering circles dies, but I'm going to die cut out one of each of these circles. Now what I want to do is adhere the basic white circle to the Boho Blue scallop circle like so. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to slide that aside to dry. I have 2 squares of the Boho Blue cardstock, and I have my medium daisy punch. Again, this is another retiring product. If you have this punch, then use it for this project. I'm going to punch out 2 daisies. If you don't have this punch, it's a great addition to your crafting room, but it is only available for a couple more days. And then what I'm going to do is adhere these 2 together using my multi-purpose liquid glue. While that is drying, I'm going to bring back in my gift card or my gift tag, and I'm going to adhere this scallop circle layer to this little gift tag front like so. And then I'm going to bring in my mini Stampin' Dimensionals, and I am going to add a dimensional to the back side of my daisy, and I'm going to put it in the center of my circle layer like so. And then you can bend up these little petals. I love that when you attach these daisies together, you can countersink them, so it makes the flower look a lot more full. Now let me show you another new in color product. This is the 2023-2025 pack of colored dots. And again, they're in all of the 5 new in colors. So what I'm going to do is take one of the largest Boho Blue dots, and I'm going to put it in the center of my gift tag like so. Isn't that super cute? And it's so easy to make. Now, I showed you this gift card idea or gift tag idea using Boho Blue, so now let's look at them in the rest of the in colors. Here is copper clay. Here is wild wheat, and then you can also turn it so that your gift card opens vertically as well. Here it is in pebbled path, and here it is in moody mauve. So there we go. There are the 5 new in colors and a fun little idea that you can create at home using these new colors. Now I have another idea for you. What if you bundled these together and slipped them into a cello bag with a topper and made this as a really fun gift idea? Don't you think that would be great? I would love to receive a pack of gift tags like that that was handcrafted by perhaps you or somebody else who loves crafting as much as we do. If you would like a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the ordering numbers for all of these products once they go live on the 2nd of May, I will link to my blog article in the description box under this video. You can head on over to my blog article, get all the information you need, and then I also have a link to my online stores in the description box under this video so that when these go live, if you want to order them as well and make this idea at home, you can go ahead and do so. I'm Terry. I'm nuts about stamping. I'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.